now, so let's actually go ahead and allow the user to update his own data. So again, if we look at the profile picture right here, just for a second, you're gonna see that we have a couple things to update. Well, I will let the user, in this video, update his own title, his, his name, his job title, and his bio, right here. All right, and I will do, a single video or a single or another update. Simply just update the CV. All right, so we will separate those from each other. All right, and you can you can go by yourself and you can just update the photo once you know how to update the CV. All right, so not to make this course too long out of nothing. So let's just go ahead and start updating profile details first. So I want to go to routes, I want to go to web right here. I want to copy this and I want to go right here, update details, or just update data, whatever that you want to call it. Well, actually I will keep this edit first. All right, so yeah, if we just go right here, I want to call this function right here, edit details, like this. So this will be for the name, edit dot details. All right, so just save this. So let's copy this function and let's go ahead to the controller right here, and the controller is users. Now let's go to the users controller, just paste this down here. Let's copy the saved jobs, let's paste this right here. Let's cut this and paste. So all what we're just gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and grab the users data, the user data first, so we can actually go ahead and update it, and we're gonna place it inside a form. All right, so what exactly should we do for this? I guess it's going to be similar to this part right here. So just copy this, go ahead and paste. So applications right here. This will be user data details right here. So we should actually send this with, send this to the view. So we're gonna go right here and we're just gonna work with the user model right here, and we already have it inside the file. So we're gonna go where ID equals the ID that's coming from the session. All right, and then we're gonna get the whole data, and then we're gonna send it to edit details, to the edit details page. So just save this whole thing. Let's just copy this and go to the users folder right here. All right, so let's create this file .blade.php. All right, so this is going to be very, very similar. Well, I just realized that we do not even have any form in this project just yet. We're not even gonna allow the user to post jobs. We're gonna do this from the admin panel, or the admin panel. All right, so I want to go right over here. I want to go to my design, and let's go to, well, post job right here. So here we can simply just find a symbol form. So if we go, after the header, so this is the part for playing the background image. So let's just copy this and paste, first, and right after this we will have this whole big form for posting the job. So we will need like five, I would say five inputs. So yeah, if we just, well, because we have a lot of inputs right here, we do not need to grab everything down here. So I want to grab starting from here. Do you see this job title input? Let's grab starting from it. Let's grab this whole section. All right, we already grabbed this, so let's grab that, just from this section right here. All right, so let's copy and go down and just paste. All right, so now we have one input right here. I also want to grab like a text area or something, because we're gonna update the bio. So there is a text area, so just copy this. Let's go down right after this div and just paste. So yeah, if we just go right here. All right, so this is the input button down at the bottom. So let's just try to grab all of this part so we can just finish up this section. All right, so there we go. Let's just paste like that, and let me go to another one of those pages so we can just grab those and send the master template. Let's paste this in, and let's go down at the bottom and let's end this section. So let's go end section like that. Let's actually save this whole thing right here. All right, so I want to link to this, you know, the master template. So I want to go to the layouts and I want to go right here. And if we just go copy this and let's just paste this in. So this will be update dot, no, let's check out the route once again. So there is the route. So update or edit details. So just save this. This will be edit or update details. Right, it's not the best name, but you can choose any name that you like. So if we just click on this update details, all right, so as you can see there is a design. Of course we're going to take care of all of these things right here. So as you can see there is the background image. So I just want to go right here. I want to go asset. I want to go assets right here slash. Let's just cut this right away, and let's go right here. Margin dash top minus 24 pixels. All right, so let's save. And if we refresh this right over here, all right, so there we go. Let's now go ahead right here, go update details. Let's copy this. Let's just go right here and paste this in, so this says also posted job. We're gonna update the, gonna update user details. All right, so this right here should be, this should be the name. All right, so I would say let's put the name also down here. So I want to copy this like and paste like multiple times. All right, so there we go. All right, so after the name we need to update the job title. All right, so this will be job underscore title, like that. And as for the name right here, well, there is no names right now. So what else do we need to update? If we go down here, or if we just go ideally the profile. All right, so the name, the title, and then the bio. Is that all? Yeah, that's all. So I even like, let's delete those. This will be bio. All right. So in the text area part, let's just go ahead and make this bio. Let's give it a name. All right, so for the description, this will be bio. All right, so I want to change the placeholder. This will be name. And this one right here should be job title. All right, so let's actually save and let's see what we have right here. All right, so the name, bio, and this will simply be just update. All right, so just save. Let's now go ahead and try paste data. So I'm just gonna go value like this, and I'm gonna go go to the users right here. Let's copy this, and let's just go user details, and let's go and paste the name in. Let's copy this right here. Let's go at the job title. Let's also go right here, job underscore title, and there is a part for the bio, and save. All right, so property name does not exist on this collection instance. So yeah, something is wrong with this right here. So where the ID equals the user ID. User where this right here equals, let's try to make this for example save. Let's refresh. All right, so it's still not showing up right here. So if we just give this, so it will actually be 1. Let's try save, refresh. All right, so just give me a second. All right, so I found the solution. It was pretty simple. We're just gonna have to use find, not actually where and so on, because we're just trying to grab a one row, at a time. So go user find and pass in, the ID that's coming from the session, and it will work just fine. So we're not gonna use it, and we're in all of that. So yeah, this will work just fine. If you refresh now, you can see that we're getting the name right here. All right, so let's actually echo the rest of the data. So we have the job title right here. So we're echoing in the label, and that's wrong. So let's just cut this. Let's go right here. This will be value, yeah, like that. So if we just go right here, job, all right, title, let's also echo the bio. For the text area, we need to actually go ahead and echo it inside HTML. And this will be bio. All right, so this will be bio also. Save. And as you can see right over here, no bio, no job title, and this guy can go right now and update his data, but we're not going to do just this just yet because it's taken too long. So in the next video, I'm going to update the data